Hello YouTube, how are we doing? Welcome to another episode of Chicken Chat. And you know what we do here on Chicken Chat, okay? We go through my previous trade that I took the previous week, and also you get to see my anticipation for next week. And also I get to keep everything real here, no flashy thing around here. Okay, so if you are finding this video helpful, okay, do to like, share and subscribe, and recommend this channel to somebody, okay, someone who is struggling and needs to know the real trading and needs to know what the real trading is and how we get to handle some emotional stuff. All right, so without further ado, I'm going to see you in my screen. Cheers guys, and welcome to my screen guys. Okay, it's good to have you guys here. And I want to really appreciate those of you who come to watch my video every week that I drop it. I'm really grateful, and I want to say a very big thank you. And I really hope you are learning something. Okay, and do well to always leave a comment okay below, so that I can get to know one or two things that you are struggling with, and also know how to answer your question and how to help. Okay, that is basically what I am here to do on this channel. I'm here to help. I'm here to help you grow as I am growing, and I'm also here showing you how the real trading is. No flashy things or whatsoever, but this is the real trading lifestyle. Okay, the grind, the hustle, and the sweat, and every other emotional aspect of trading. Now back to my screen guys. Right now we are on my JPY on the 1 hour time frame. Most of you be like, why am I using the 1 hour time frame when my entry time frame is the 2 hour time frame? Well, I think I'm going to go back to my 1 hour time frame because it shows me a lot of stuff that the 2 hour will not show me. Now let me break down a trade that I took on Thursday. Okay, on Thursday I took, okay, let's go to my 2 hour time frame. That was where I took the trade. On the 2 hour time frame, okay, before I took the trade, there was the daily time frame we're in, already in premium, moving to our discounted level. Okay, and I also took a trade here, which I'm going to show you guys right now. I entered a sell somewhere around here. Sorry, that's a buy position. So I entered sell around here. I think I had about 40 pips stop loss. 40 p. Then I went for 1:3. Okay, this was the one that I took on Monday. Okay, I went 1:3 on this trade. So after seeing that, then I saw another break of structure right here. Okay, that's great. So what did I do? I waited for a retest. I did not enter off of this candle. I waited till the next day again, because look at these lines here. These are section, like daily section breaker. Okay, this is one whole day. This from here to here is one whole day. From here to here is also one whole day. Okay, so the next day I took the sale right here. I think with a 60 pip stop loss. I used the 60 pip stop loss. Something like that. I thought I think I entered like below here, something like that. Yeah, but what I know is that price missed my take profit by just few pips. Okay, price got there and eventually went to hit my break even. Guys, this is the most painful trade I've had in my trading career, and this year the most painful trade. I'm not gonna lie, this is the most painful trade that I've taken in my career and also this year. So the reason I think I'm going to switch back to the 1 hour time frame, okay, is just because now look at this. There was no sign of anything because already we are trying to sell from the daily premium, okay, to the daily discount. Now on the 1 hour time frame, you can see that I would have gotten a quick signal to at least just get out of this trade, at least like almost a 1 to 1, just get out of this trade, then take another buy. Like the 1 hour time frame shows me every detail that I need to know. Okay, it shows me every detail that I need to know. Okay, and I would have taken a 1 to 3 win right there. Okay, so I think I'm just going to go back to my 1 hour time frame because it shows me every detail. Although there is no time frame that does not have its pros and cons. Okay, it does not mean when I go to the 1 hour time frame I'll become more profitable. No. Okay, I just want to go there because it shows me more details. So those are the trades that I took, okay, last week, and currently I am in one trade right now currently. Okay, so on the daily time frame you can see that we're bouncing lines off of our cloud EMA, okay, and currently we are in discounted level. I already drew my fee from swing low to swing high here, and you can see how price is reacting in our discounted level. Now to the 2 hour time frame, let me take this fig off so the chart will not look too messy. I really don't like messy charts that much. So on the 2 hour time frame, you can see that we've broken out of this downward trend line, and also we've had a break of structure right here. So it's wise for me to take my Fibonacci from swing low right to swing high, and you can see that price after the break of structure we have retested in our entry level, although did not get to our discounted level, but I used that 8.2% level a lot. Okay, and there was no crossover, like from bullish to bearish. There was none. So that's why when I saw this green bullish candle, I entered immediately. Now I'm not going to be using the 2 hour time frame anymore, and I have explained the reason why. So currently I'm still in this trade. Now on the 1 hour time frame, you can still notice that our cloud EMA has not shifted, okay, from bearish to bullish. So what am I anticipating? I'm still waiting. I'm still going to get a re-entry. That's if I get any. Okay, I'm still in this trade, but I'm still going to get a re-entry. Maybe wait for more confirmation for our cloud EMA to change. Then I'm going to wait after our cloud EMA, like after we get a push up. I really don't know if this trade is going to win. I don't know if it's going to lose. Okay, so I'm not saying I am doing this, I'm doing it because I am very sure that it's going to buy. No, I don't know. Okay, but I'm just here trying to capitalize on what I can capitalize on based on what I am seeing and based on what the price is saying. Okay, this is pure price action. Alright. So once the cloud EMA change, then I'm going to wait to see maybe if there can be any other retest. Then I think I'm going to buy again another entry. So that's what I'm going to be anticipating. Okay, so that is all I have on my chart. Okay, so I believe you've learned one or two things. Okay, you should know that the market will not always favor you. So I'm going back to the 1 hour time frame does not mean I'm going to become already I can say I'm profitable, but does not mean I'm going to become more profitable, or no, I'm just going over to the 1 hour time frame because it shows more details, and that is what I want. And it's just good, it's just right for us to have confidence in ourselves. That is what matters, nothing more matters. Having confidence in our trade is all that matters. So guys, I really appreciate you for staying through. and I'm going to see you next week for another episode of Check-in Chat.